Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to unfriend people faster in Roblox. Alright, let's begin. First, go to roblox.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, click on the Friends. Normally, to unfriend someone, you would select their name, open their profile, and then select Unfriend. However, there's a quicker way to do this. Open Google Chrome and search for Chrome extensions. Select the link to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar at the top right, type Roblox Friend and select the Roblox Friend Removal button extension. Click Add to Chrome to install the extension. After the extension is added, return to your Roblox Friends list. Refresh the page, and you'll now see a new button next to each friend. You can quickly unfriend anyone by simply pressing this button. So that's basically how you can unfriend people faster in Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.